Alright guys, check it out. I'm here at one of my old school RCs. It's a Wltoys A949 rally car. 1/18 scale, 390 brush motor. Alright? Love this thing, man. It's been on the channel a few times. Alright? I put these wheels on from the Wltoys A959. Had to cut the body to fit them. Looks pretty sick. I even put some lights on it. Check out that night run. Alright guys, let's do it. Alright, let's run this thing, guys. Alright. Oh yeah. That's cool. Wltoys A949 rally car. See you guys on the next video. Later.